So? And I wanted to share an awesome idea.
Sam? Hey, Sam! Huh, he isn't here. Oh, I wanted to tell him what a great day it is today.
Sue?
Sam!
Oh, I couldn't catch you all morning.
Nor could I.
I had an idea, but I lost it.
You know what? Let's make this thing to write each other messages and not forget anything.
We already have such a thing. It's called a smartphone. You can send text messages.
No, Sam. Text messages are too mechanic. This will be from the heart. Bring me your favorite picture while I get started. All right, it looks like I got everything. A small board, some pins, rubber bands, and a paper roll. Yes, great. We'll make an awesome pad for exchanging emotions and ideas.
This one.
Oh, Sammy, this is wonderful. Just what we need. Well done.
Yes, we use this picture to make a key ring in one of our videos.
You're my star, Sammy. First, I'll take this small board and stick some pins into it. Very carefully. We don't want to prick my finger. There, 2 at each side. Now I need the paper roll and a rubber band.
Oh, isn't that the kind of paper roll they use to print receipts in shops?
Yeah, that's right. Look, this is how we need to put the rubber band through. Now our paper roll is firmly fixed.
And what's this rubber band for?
To keep the paper in place. Here, look. Now you can write anything you want right here.
Oh, don't forget about the picture. This will make the pad very personal.
I won't forget, don't worry.
Sticky tape again? Tape everywhere. Oh.
I'll put the tape on the back of the picture. And then I'll stick the picture right here. Last detail. Done! Now we can write messages here and leave them for each other to see.
I need to give it a try. Let's see. There.
Oh, Sammy. This isn't the kind of messages I had in mind, but you've reminded me. Let's stick a magnet on it and put the pad on the fridge. You go there 10 times a day after all, and you'll see the messages at once.
Good thinking. Hey guys, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, comment below and we'll tell you even more funny stories of my life. And while you're doing that, we'll show you another cool thing.
Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a 3D logo in 5 minutes.
Wow, really?
I drew your name too, look. What do you think?
Well, that's okay.
Will I ever get a thank you here? We'll need a piece of paper with the name, parchment paper, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks.
Color glitter glue sticks!
Okay, color glitter glue sticks. First, I'll leave the glue gun to warm up. Guys, be very careful with this thing. Hot glue can cause a burn. Oh, sorry, Sam, I almost got you. That's exactly why you should be careful. I'll put a printed logo under the parchment paper, just like this. Take the glue gun that's warmed up and just start tracing the logo with the name.
Make sure you do it right. Millions will see this logo.
Sam, don't start with me. It's important to join all the lines. Shaking hands might be a problem.
My precious logo will be stuck on paper and you won't be able to take it off!
No, Sammy. This is a special paper for baking. It's covered with a layer of non-stick material. There! The glue logo is done. Now we just need to wait a little until the glue hardens.
Did it cool yet?
No,
How about now?
not yet.
Now?
Scram, Sam!
I will, but I can't go alone.
Ugh, blackmailer.
Sorry!
Now the glue hardened enough, so we can take it off the paper. Oh, wow! That's really easy. Can you believe that's glue? Hey, Sam, look! Now you have a real 3D logo.
It's almost like it's boring.
Breathe, Susie. Breathe. Sam is just being Sam. What should it look like?
Fun and chaotic.
I have another idea. Please like it.
Holy cannoli! Where's your off button?
Oh! For a chaotic logo, I'll need a plain piece of paper, the glue logo, watercolor paint, a brush like this, and more paper to avoid the mess. I'll put the logo on the paper.
You've done enough. Let me!
Wait! I'll show you a really cool painting technique.
Okay, do it.
First, you need to damp the brush in water. Just a little. And shake off the excess. I'll apply some paint. I'll start with blue.
And, how is that new?
Now, I'll tap the brush lightly on my finger.
It doesn't look very cool. Entertaining, though.
A little more. There. Now, I'll take another color. And some here. And there. Huh. Not bad, I'd say. Let's take one more color. I'll go with red this time. Yeah. And green. My favorite.
Oh, me! Let me! I want to do it too!
No problem. Let's work for me.
Hey! Leave a finger. Green, cute, chaotic. Almost like Sammy. Yep, a flash here and a flash there. There's that rhythm. It makes me want to dance. Watch and learn, kids. La, 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 yeah. Hey!
Let's remove the glue logo and see how it turned out.
To be honest, it's not that great. Just a waste of paint.
Guys, which logo did you like the best? The glue one or the painted one? Leave a comment below. Is it chaotic enough?
Sue! Frame it at least. Okay, guys, this craft turned out great. If you like it, give a thumbs up. And if you know how to make it even better or using other materials, leave a comment below. While you're doing that, we are moving on to the next craft. Give me candy!
Here you go.
Give me candy!
Oh, here.
Give me candy!
Oh, Sam, can't I drink coffee in peace?
All right, I just have this candy mood today.
So I see. You've even infected me with it.
Candy mood is indeed very catchy. Will you now eat candy every hour too?
Not me, because I know that too many sweets are bad for your health. I'll make myself a candy bracelet, just right for this kind of mood. Oh, yeah.
A bracelet? Hard to imagine.
Just try it.
All right, surprise me.
Hi, guys. Sam has infected me with a candy mood today, and I've remembered that I have these wonderful beads. They look just like candy, right?
And you said you wouldn't eat candy.
Well, these aren't candy.
That remains to be seen.
In any case, I'll use them to make a bracelet for myself. Besides the beads, I'll also need this kind of wire, some clippers, and pliers.
Clippers and pliers? Now this is something new. Be careful with this new stuff.
I will. Thank you for caring, Sammy.
You're welcome. As part of my caring, I'll take one of your non-candies for expertise.
Okay, first, I'll take the wire and bend one end with the help of the pliers. Like this. There. This will help to make sure the beads don't slip. Hey!
These non-candy of yours are really not candy.
I told you so, and it's not an excuse to throw things. Actually, I'll start with this bead. I'll string them one by one to make a beautiful color switch. I should sort them beforehand.
Let me help!
Sure. Let's sort the beads to get a gradient.
What?
Gradient. It's what you get when one hue switches smoothly to another one. Here, look.
I think I understand. You can go take a rest, and I'll do it myself.
Well, all right.
This one goes here, and this one goes here. This grand dent is coming out great. Back already? Here, look!
Oh, this isn't quite what I had in mind.
Yeah, I think it came out great. Ideal candy mess.
Thanks for trying, Sammy. Maybe we could do it a different way? I'll place this one here, and this one here. Oh, these colors are so beautiful and soft. They're usually called pastel. And one more. Done! Now I'll string the beads on the wire in this order. Oh, this is fun. It's like making a pastel rainbow.
And back in the Tibidabo, my color mess would have been much appreciated. It's
I have no
quite
doubts about it.
There. Nobody appreciates me here. Guys, can you at least subscribe to the channel, please? Let me know that my creative aspirations are appreciated by someone.
There. All the beads are in place. Now I'll need to cut the extra wire with the clippers. Like that. And then I'll bend the end with the pliers. Carefully now. And done! I need to try it on right away. Oh, I think it came out wonderful. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Meh, bracelets are boring. Even if it's pretty. Now, if these were candies...
You know what? It's easy to fix.
Really? How?
Here, look.
Are these beads too?
Not quite. These are candies, all right. We'll put them on this string, and you'll have a bracelet you can eat.
Yeah, now you're talking. I don't need any grand dents. Just string them on, and that's it.
Will do.
I'm watching you.
I'm going to need a safe plastic needle for this. I'll put it through the candies like this, one by one.
Take more, take more!
Oh, I'm taking! Whoops, all gone. I'll tie the ends. And here you go.
It looks all right. Thanks, Sue.
Guys, which bracelet did you like more? Write in the comments. If you make a bracelet like this, send us your photos. It'll make our day.
Yeah, I need to check something.
Sam, no.
Guys, did you like the video? give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the most wonderful channel of the most wonderful slime. And now, to the next video. Enjoy another adventure. The most wonderful, of course. I'll wash here and here. Want to be extra shiny. Oh, time to climb out. Oh, the floor is so cold. I'll wrap myself in a towel.
Sammy, there's water all over the floor again.
Well, what can I do? And the floor's cold.
Cold floor? That's it. You just need a bath mat.
A bath mat? Yay!
Come.
I'll be right there. Hey, Susie, have you seen my ducky?
No.
I'll go look for it.
I'll be making a mat for Sammy with this cord.
My ducky's missing!
Who could have taken it?
Some ducky thief, no doubt.
A ducky thief? There is no such thing.
If there wasn't, the ducky wouldn't be missing. I'll continue my search.
Good luck. Okay, I'll unwind some of this cord, a bit more, and start weaving it like this. So the way we weave is we make some loops, just like these, and then we'll pull some more cord through, in and out, just like this. Ugh, it's a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier. A little bit more, and pull it through this way. There we go. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. And more. I need a little bit more cord. So, what? Something's stuck.
Sam! I was looking for my rubber ducky!
In the cord? Come, let me set you free. There.
Thanks. One misfortune after another. I'll go grab a snack. Right. Pulling. I'm going to do an experiment. Here, I have some wagon wheels. They say if you heat it, it becomes even tastier. Let's try it. Now go on into the Wonder Machine. I hope it won't ruin my precious like the last time. Closing. Oh, it's heating up. I wonder what's happening in there. Smells really good. And ready! Yay! Time to test it.
Wow, this bath mat is coming along, but it's not complete yet.
How's it going?
Oh, Sam, what are you covered in? Chocolate?
I was bringing a piece of an experiment to you.
And failed?
Yeah.
What was your experiment about?
Ooh, I heated wagon wheels in the microwave. It was so good.
Really? Hey guys, have you tried heating wagon wheels in the microwave? Give a thumbs up if you have. Okay, I'm gonna pull the cord through this loop and tug. Make sure it's all spread out nice and even, and cut the leftover pieces. Oh, it's so thick. And the other, and done! Hey Sam, the bath mat is ready!
Looks good! Just for me!
Let's put it in place, right next to the bathtub.
I'll be jumping on it like this! Oh, not cold anymore!
Yeah, splash all you want!
Hooray! Oh! I can't believe it! This is outrageous! Ducky, what are you doing here?
Maybe just swimming?
What if Fluffy had eaten it?
Oh, your ducky is all right. Look! I'll put him back in the bathroom.
Guys, if you liked our video, give a thumbs up. Not only will you support me, but also that will help millions of other kids around the world discover our channel and fall in love with it just as much as you. Now, let's get the next craft started! Yahoo! 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, come here. 6 and 7.
Sam, what's up? I thought you went to bed a while ago.
I can't sleep.
And
I'm counting bears.
why?
Because there are no gummy sheep, duh.
Sammy, counting sheep is a mental exercise. It's not literal.
That's why it's not working. How do you do it then?
Come on, I'll help you. There. Let's put you to bed.
Don't forget a blanket.
And cover you with a blanket.
And tuck me in.
And tuck you in.
I'm ready. What's next?
Just relax. Imagine sheep passing by and counting them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, it's not working.
Well, what if I make you a calming tea with chamomile?
Okay, only you're confusing chamomile with candy.
Here, Sammy. Tea and a chocolate for good sleep.
Ugh, it smells funny.
Chocolate then?
If you insist.
Sam, I don't know what else to do. Guys, maybe you know what to do to fall asleep. Leave a comment below. A nice warm bath always helps me to sleep well. That's the last resort, Sam.
Ooh, bubbly bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Relax me, bubbles. Nope, I'm fresh as a daisy.
You know what? I'm out. You're on your own. Ugh, driving me crazy.
Poor Sam. What should I do? I know! Hey, my loving fans! I'm in charge now, and now I'll show you a very interesting experiment. Let's take a glass with water. I need a ladder. Sammy is so tiny, the glass is so tall. Now, add some oil. Watch out for spills. Sammy, you get in big trouble. My favorite part. I'm gonna go get some food coloring so it's not boring. Like Sue boring. Drop, and another drop. Just to be sure. And there! Wait, there was something else. Oh, got it! Aspirin! Guys, are you ready? Ready? And plop! Ta-da! Look at all these bubbles! Oh, it's like a volcano in a cup! That's almost better than candy. Nicely done, Sammy. Self-5! Has Sue ever showed you anything as pretty? That's right, she hasn't! So if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Smooch, smooch, I love ya, babies!
Hush, little Sammy, don't say a word. Susie's gonna buy you a lollipop. If that lollipop won't taste too sweet, Susie's gonna buy you another treat.
The result was really amazing, guys! Don't you think? If you agree, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel! We'll show you lots of cool things. Are you done? Good job! Now you'll be rewarded with another interesting craft.
This was so much fun! Oh, yeah, so many memories! I need to place them all around the house. It feels too empty and boring. This doesn't feel right.
What doesn't, Sammy?
Well, I want to decorate the house with photos, but I can't just stick them on the wall.
Well, you can put them into frames.
Frames? This sounds better. Proceed then, and I'll think of other home decor ideas.
Hi guys! Today I'll be making frames for Sam's photos. Since photos are small, frames will be small as well. I'll make them out of these squares of colorful paper. They'll look wonderful together.
Give me one.
What for?
I need it. Just one?
Here you go.
Thanks. And if you add candy to it, it'll be simply amazing.
Sammy. Right, I'll start making the frames. One part of the frame is made of one paper square. I'll fold it in half, making a triangle shape, like this. Then I'll infold it. This will be a guideline right here. I'll fold a smaller triangle along the guideline. And then the bottom part. Unfold that, and turn it over, and fold it on the other side. It should look like this.
Do you have some washi tape left?
Tape? Sam, are you feeling all right? Maybe you have a fever.
What? No!
Well, you and asking for some tape?
I need it!
Oh, all right. Here. I wonder what Sammy's up to. Well, I'll check it out later. Now, I need to fold the paper like this. Now I'll put this corner into this little pocket this way. This is what I have now. One frame needs 4 parts like this.
Listen, do you have any glitter?
Glitter? Sam, why?
To make it pretty.
I don't have any glitter. Oh, but I do have this shiny ribbon. Will it do?
I'll take it.
Right, I'll assemble the frame. I'll take a glue stick and apply some glue on the corner and stick the pieces together like this. Now the next one, and one more. Done!
I'm done too.
With what?
Come, I'll show you. Ta-da!
Oh, Sam, I don't even know what to say.
Aha! You're speechless because you're in awe.
Well, I wouldn't exactly call it awe.
Oh, you don't like it?
Let me show you what I've made.
Sure.
Here, look! The photo fits the frame perfectly!
Awesome! Let's make frames for all the photos!
Sure thing, Sam.
And I'll put our beach trip photo here, and I'll put our holiday trip photo right here!
Sam, how do you like our gallery?
Holy cannoli, it's beautiful!
Okay, I'll let Sue enjoy her new toy. And meanwhile, I'll make for you guys something special. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button so you always watch your favorite videos first. If you made it to the first 100, use a hashtag. Hashtag Early Squad. Right. Yes. I need to make sure I have everything I need. Invitation. Almost forgot. I'll put it here. I need to dress up. Let's see. Nope. I don't think so. Oh. There! Yahoo! Okay, I think I'm ready, but... Oh no!
Sammy,
Well,
what's the matter?
I'm going to a slime birthday party. I have everything I need except for a gift bag. I can't just give a gift without a gift bag, can I? And there's no time. This is just
there, Sammy. I can help you. Come. Hi, guys. I need to save Sammy and make him a lovely gift bag, especially since we have everything we need for this. Some festive paper.
Let me see. I'll be the one carrying it after all. Yes, it will do.
Good. We'll also need a ribbon. I have several to choose from. Sam, which one should we use?
This is a very important decision. Need to think. This one? No. This one. Yes! Very festive.
All right. I'll also need...
Tape?
This time, we can do without it. We need glue.
I'll bring it for ya.
Thanks. I will also need this hole punch. So, minus the glue, that's everything. I can start. I'll take this piece of paper and fold it in half, just like this. There. Now, I need to fold the edge, nice and neat. I'll press it tight to get a clear line. Now, let's open it. And fold. I'll need to glue this side, but where's the glue? Whoa,
There.
Sammy, that's a lot.
Well, just in case. You need it, don't ya?
Yes, thank you. I will take this one and set the rest aside. Now I'll apply some glue, just like this. Super easy. And to the other side. There. Now we'll press it tight.
Ooh, I can press it tight too, to make sure. Like this.
I think that's enough. Any harder and you can crumple it. Let's continue. So we have the base. Now we need to make the bottom. We need to fold the paper this way.
Oh, I'm so nervous. There will be so many unfamiliar
I'm
slimes.
sure you'll charm them all.
Well, not that I'm boasting, but I always become the center of every party. You know, tell them about my adventures, or a joke, and voila!
Well then, there's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, just make the gift bag, or I'll be making the wrong impression.
It's almost done, Sam. Just a few easy steps. And there. The bottom is ready.
Okay, and now what?
Well, now I need to make the sides. Like this. There's 1 and 2. There. I'll unfold it very carefully and cut off the excess. Remember to be careful with the scissors, guys. There. Now we'll shape it up a bit.
Looking good. Now the ribbon.
Almost. I need to make the holes for it first.
This hole maker is a bit scary. I think I'll keep away from it.
It's a hole punch, Sammy, and it's not scary at all. It'll quickly make 4 even holes. Look! Haha! Now it's time for the ribbon. Hey, Sammy, what are you going to give as a gift?
Myself, of course. After all, I'm the best gift at any birthday party.
Yourself? But that's not... Well, you're a gift, no doubt. But I'm sure the birthday slime wants something, more material.
Like what?
Like something sweet. I think it's a great gift idea. Let's see what we have.
It'll be boring, but all right.
Okay, here's what we have. What does your friend like?
Let me see. Not this one. That one's boring. There! This one.
All right, let's put it into the bag and you're good to go.
Oh, yay! Thank you so much, Susie. You've been a great help.
Guys, did you like this idea for a gift bag? Give a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you make a bag like this, send Sam and me a photo. It'll make our day. See you soon.
Well, I'm off.
Go on, have fun.
Ha ha.